Hello guys, in this section we are going to unbox SSD1306 OLED display and also I will show you how to upload an image to this module. Okay, I have got this from local store for 230 Indian rupees and I will leave the link in the description for buying it from Amazon. Okay guys, this is our display.
It is 0.96-inch display.
And also 128 by 64 pixels. It is an I2C module. You can see here only 4 pins: ground, VCC, SCL and SDA. And ground is connected to ground, and VCC we can give maximum 5 volt, and SCL is serial clock and SDA is serial data.
And here the serial data, the line for the master and slave to send and receive data, and the serial clock, the line that carries the clock signal. I2C is a serial communication protocol, so the data is transferred bit by bit along a single wire. Okay, that is our SDA line.
Okay, here our SSD1306 is a single chip CMOS OLED driver. Okay, we can now move to our programming for displaying an image on our display and also some text. You need a breadboard for stacking it over. Yeah, okay. I have stacked it over a small breadboard, and you need some jumper wires for the connection. And here I am using Arduino Uno, but you can use any other microcontroller units like a Nano or Mega. Make sure your SDA and SCL pins are right. Here our SCL pin is A5 and SDA pin is A4. Okay guys, now we want to connect it. Yeah, I have now connected here, and you want to connect it here. Ground to ground of Arduino. Can take any ground, and VCC, that is a red pin, to 5 volt. I am giving it to 5 volt. Okay guys, and next pin is SCL. SCL is connected to A5. Okay, this orange pin is connected to A5 and SDA is connected to A4. Okay guys, yeah, now our circuit is complete. Very simple circuit guys, because it's I2C and only have 4 pins. Okay guys, now I am connecting to my system. Yeah, there is no display because we want to write something for displaying it. No power LEDs or indicators here. Okay guys, now we can move to our programming. Okay guys, this is our code. First of all, you want to install these libraries. Okay, just go to tools, manage libraries, and you can download it from there. I have already downloaded it, so I am just skipping that step. Okay guys, you want to install these two libraries, that is adaptr.gfx.h and adaptr.ssd1306.h. okay, I have already done it, so I am just cancelling that. Okay guys, so I am skipping that step. Things are defined, and you can see some predefined images here. I have already done it. YouTube and YouTube logo here, something here, and also you can see some text and text, subscribe and all. Okay, for your basic understanding, I am just uploading this sketch. Okay guys, yeah, I'm uploading, and there is a chance that an error will occur. That is because 1306, our module is SSD1306. But if you install another library, just go to your library and change it, uncomment this SSD1306 and comment others. Okay guys, so I am not showing that stuff. If you have any doubts, you can just comment it below. Okay guys, uploading. Yeah, done uploading. You can see here guys. Okay, so yeah, I'm YouTube logo, ID, yeah, register and subscribe. Okay guys, now we can see how to upload our own image. Okay, for that I have a link here. I will put it in the description, and also I will put here as comment. Okay guys, just click on that link. It will take you to a site for converting our image to bitmap image. Okay. Okay guys, this is our site, Marline Bitmap Converter. Okay. Before selecting our file, we want to choose a file and change its size. Okay. I'm just opening the file. Okay, this is my old handsome pig. Okay, I'm just opening it with Photoshop. Okay guys, just go to image size. Here you want to change the width to 128 and height to 64. Yeah, okay guys, it's both in pixels. Okay, click on, and you can see our image here. Okay guys, just save it. Okay, I'm just saving it as PNG image. Okay. Okay. Saving it. Okay guys. Now we want to upload that image to our site. Just go to our site. Choose file. Okay, before that we want to set it as ASCII art on binary and bitmap. Okay guys. Choose file. Okay, this is our image. Okay, open it. Okay guys, now you can see our image here. I want to invert it, so I'm just clicking on invert. Yeah, now it's more clear guys. Okay, you can see my image here. Yeah, it's here. Okay, just okay, let's click on that and copy it. Okay guys, now move to our program. Yeah, and after edit, just paste it guys. You can see my image here. Yeah, as a wall, this is my image. You can see all represented in hash and dots. Okay guys, and just go down and select height. Okay, just copy a height from that because width is defined here, and I just need a height. Okay, VM height. You want to change the name here. Okay, not YT, it's BFM. You can just give your name, no issues. So if I'm giving Anas, okay, just change name to Anas. Okay, I'm giving my name here. Okay, and also here bitmap, and just giving bitmap Anas. Okay, now we want to change the amount, so here we want to define it. Okay, just copy this and paste it here. Okay guys, now we want to change the name here. Is what bitmap Anas. Okay, just copy it and paste it here guys. And here bitmap YT, no, bitmap Anas. And we want to change the width and height here according to the values we have defined it here. It's 114 and 64. Okay, so we want to change here 114. Okay, 114 and 64. Okay guys, now I am uploading this file, this sketch, to our Arduino Uno. You can see it here. Okay guys,
what we do here is go back.
It's uploading. Yes guys, it's uploaded. You can see my image here. Okay guys, Audi, retag, subscribe. Okay guys, you can see my image here. Okay guys, and also for adding a text, you can just go here and you can add a text here. Like we want to print something. Okay, just copy this guys, and here delay 1000 means is 1000 millisecond, is 1 second. Okay, I just want to do something that is hi guys. Okay, no issues, just go. Guys, upload guys, you can check it. Okay, audio tag, subscribe. Hi guys. Okay, please set the cursor according to your need, and it's 10 here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this section guys. If so, please like this video and consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.